Hi, I'm Madison and I'm a merchandiser at Stars Design Group. My first job was a retail associate at Kohl's. When I was younger, I wanted to be a fashion buyer or a fashion designer. Friends would describe me as kind, bubbly, and loving, and sometimes chaotic. Led me to this career path. My grandma was a fashion buyer when she was my age and told me a lot about how amazing it was working in the fashion industry and how fun it was. And my mom also taught me how to make clothes, so that kind of made me move towards being in the fashion industry when I grew up. What motivates me at work is that I create clothing for passionate clients that have such a great brand idea and huge goals that they want to implement into their clothing line, and just helping them guide them to that way and throughout each step of the process is just so rewarding and amazing to see something come to life for them. The most exciting part about my job is probably seeing a design come to life right in front of you and then being sold in stores or in a website, and people get to wear it in actual time when it just started as a design or drawing. So I found my way here at Stars Design Group through an internship that was curated from my college and my advisor there. So when they told me that there was an internship available, I immediately applied here and got my internship. My favorite part at working at Stars Design Group is working with such an amazing team of smart and kind people. Some skills or traits that I bring to my workplace is that I am very passionate about my work. I'm very organized, I'm very creative, and I also love to collaborate with people on my team. Stars Design Group is such a cool and interesting and fun place to work at.